Welcome back to another video. It's not your boy, but it's G Chase holding the cut, just in case you need a banish. But moves away on my house, never here. But anyways, my favorite, this video is a mixture of what happened in December 2025 and what's happening in January 2026. Because kuyashisa but akushisi more than what's happening in the video. Tune in, man. Thank you for coming back.
Mina yizolo shweleki Naba washpop you chicken brain Shia beka like spaghetti Bafika shani sebenzi
Shit, you see the last clip? I couldn't even finish it because I forgot to record the things we were doing in sprints. But then anyways, other than that, the next following video, basically lighthouse kana manje is amajani nezi lighthouse bayayicaba, you see. So then ke sinxilile man amajita zoned out, I took phones out. So yabona no bebesizilandile bazilande ku mara sifike singahlamanga umhlamba savaya side down shit onubona mfethu crispy njani phofa siko crispy mfethu. Oh, you must the word siqwebile kahle kahle siqwebile but then mangani bamezeli man ubukelele we.
Ubudoda hayi kunzima ukuthi nivule ngabukani zuke aya kuthi
yesho ngithi ngiyoyilanda ngithi police station bayikon straight to police station kodwa stress bayafuni uzazinto lesifake kuyo you hayi hala
fuma namhlanje balaki
sathi Android ubungana stress salona umlanda
lantwana
aliyabi nje
inqila kayi3
lo mwazi ngaphakathi endlini
yabona koqala siqale sayinyuma hayi
ngathi yadlala
wathi uyaqala ubona abantu abachazele into
sizombona namhlanje
ngakagqibezo uphinde uphawule enye flops yima waphinde wathola umnqosi athi hayi
ufuna uzibaqala ngamedi elebo bayijonga bahamba ngabani akubona lento zake flops bomele ndama ngeke
inoni abumfazi wamla abaspana abantu ngoDisemba no no so when cover this video and very love it yo hey bingokule le half loaf
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no. Waters of immortality. Hey, oh my daughter. Hey, which are the beautiful lady that never refuses to be kissed. Hey, no. Hey, the astounding stallion that never refuses to galore. Hey, please take me home. Hey, oh my daughter. Hey, before you knock me down. Oh. Under which circumstances?
Like I told you from the start and from the caption, this video is full of random clips It's like it's full of, what's the thing? My side quest. From a groove, since ekuseni, sibanje hangover. And now it's another day. Staggy votes, and this time, no, it was not another day. It was the same day, but I'm just a share groove. But me and Buddha.
What the hell?
No. Aslelanga, bro. So Chito Vero a lot of slay, you know. I mean, like, when's that no Chita? What the fuck? When's that? But I man, see.
Hey.
Let's give some. Remember when you told me what I'm getting down. All I said in these are closer to the sun. Maybe I can change the weather. You know, till the factory creepers on shit. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a long time coming, yeah. I was on my own stomach rumbling. Yo! In the jungle,
These are the benefits you could squeeze in. Nepotism. Corruption is only bad when I'm not part of it. But nepotism. Shout out to Nepo. Let's go.
Valentine's.
But gents, I thought we were gonna sit up there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You guys can smoke up. Me, I want to be there. Yeah. I already missed the performance. Which is scared of that shit. Is there another performance coming? That's what I'm doing.
Jailer boy. The perks of nepotism. See a benefit. Corruption is only bad when I'm not part of it. But I'm managing a benefit and I'm using it to the fullest.
You never tired. You gonna come on the 14th.
Can you
Gonna take our little sense.
Just the type of shit we signed up for, nigga.
We trying to look for that nigga right now. We trying to look for that nigga.
Stop order from me. Just come
Looking for
closer.
that nigga right now. You want to operate something?
We're moving. We're gonna find that nigga.
Go find him now.
We're gonna find that nigga.
This is why we do this shit, nigga. This is why we do this shit. Bona manje. On our way to go and search for that nigga. Ah, bro. Oh, no, man. Grand Ferry. Welcome to my vlog, man. Yeah, man. So now we search for this guy. Stop hiding, my boo. What the fuck? Found that nigga. Bona manje signed out specialized exclusive place, nigga. It's not a VIP, man. All thanks to nepotism. Corruption is only bad when I'm not part of it. Otherwise, shawangin. Catch ya, nigga.
I mean, I went to ask if he's planning on dropping a body of work this year since having five of his league. Other question is, if he does drop a project, which 3 artists do you consider putting on? That's it. That's it. Okay. My question is like creativity is he's doing the music stuff just on the street. So what else can people expect? That's what I hate these. Any question? Now, man, I'm getting a project, man. If you're kind of dropping a project, but you're gonna shoot it now, yo. Yes, what's good? It's good, the boys at Double Says, 4-3 to the who, to the what, to the world, baby. Yo, MC with the MIC, because Pretty Girls is all I see. Fair to, I'm standing to the future of SA music right now, dog.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
Dog, I was shaking, dog. The thing is, I've been operating the car, I've been promoting artists. You see artists blow up, then you see them do that shit with people, like vibing to his shit and sing his lyrics, dog. The same people that you walk, dog, you think they don't know. But once that person comes and operates, they go crazy. It means that person performing has that energy that no one has.
Try shit.
Because being a rapper, dog, is something spiritual, dog. Being a rapper, dog, comes from the heart, dog. So when you're operating and people are going like, yo, dog, that shit's crazy. So when I interviewed him, dog, the reason why I wouldn't say shaking, dog, it was adrenaline, dog. You know, it was crazy, man. Shout out to Ringo, shout out to Dre Chase, dog, for documenting the whole thing. Otherwise, the next time we meet, dog, that is stream, I'm telling you.
Yeah, man, sometimes it be like that, man. Sometimes it be like that. One day, it's over Cincinnati, man. That's why we do this shit, otherwise, catch you on the next clip. Yeah, man, if you type Kelo 15, now it's time. On my way to grab me some Kelo 15. Shout out to Nepo. Ooh, what the fuck? Shout out to Nepo too. Corruption is only bad if I'm not part of it. Otherwise, yeah, man, about to close the floor. Otherwise, let's do this shit.
You got two.
I got 2 to it, alright? That time I'm hungry as fuck.
So many ways you can cook potato.